Okay, picking up where we left off. DX. I don't know how long this video has been running, but I don't want to make too long of videos because people don't watch them. People don't like long videos. So if you didn't watch the previous video, this is Sasquatch creativity in the forest. My name is Richard. I do not edit my videos. I am in New Hampshire. I won't say where. I have a connection with Sasquatch. And the ones in this area know that I'm here. This is where Numlati, N-U-M-L, Numlati, N-U-M-L-A-T-Y, and his group lives. We were on some other trails not too far, and we've spoken to him. He knows we're here. He's chilling around to talk to him. What's the story? Do you know where we are? Let me check this map. Alright, so oh, we came from way over there. We're already over here.
Here's the loop over here.
Okay, so we're taking that right. Yeah.
This is the loop.
We don't want to go to the loop.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to take this one right here.
That's why I'm going this way.
That's why I'm following you. Are you sure? Wait a minute. Hang on. If we came from that way, it says the loop over there? Okay, all right. We'll go this way. Yeah, we're taking a right. That's right. Okay. Just the way the map was. It confused me for a second. Yep, you're right. You're right for 1,000 times. The map was upside down, so I was looking at it from a different angle. So I was like, what? All right. So continuing forward. As I started to mention, I do not edit my videos. I forgot what I said when I started this video. Got sidetracked. I do not edit my videos. How they are recorded is how I replay them back. Oh, there's a little arch right there. A little small arch. And that is used as a portal. That's about 2 feet high, so that's about how tall the Sasquatch is. And there's another one right there. Right there. It's about 3 feet high. That's how tall that Sasquatch is. They use that as a height indicator as well as a portal for traveling. There's some more, it's just starting to be bent, but they're not 100% arched over. Or they could have been released. Kind of hard to see. You see this little trail going through right here. It's not a human trail. So this Sasquatch walk. There's a nice break right there. That's another way of doing height indication. So that's probably about 7 feet high, 8 feet high. I don't have my yardstick on me. All right, back to stealth mode, maybe. Walking on all this. Lots of rocks. Put these rocks here. Did you put these rocks here, Ian? Tree. Oh wow, check this out. Huh. Got a lot of stuff right there. Strange. Stack all that. You know, a little cave. Gotta catch my footing. Waterfall. Fell once already today. So that's where it just came from, all those rocks. There's a trail going through there. Ooh, big rock. There's another arch right there. Interesting. They're sporadic. The last video I made, or last series of videos I made, lots of arches. So something clearing back there. So nice not to have the bear bell ring-a-ding-a-ling constantly on my body backpack. There's another pile of wood over here. All broken, some cut. Interesting. Unusual. Maybe they're getting ready for winter time. Build some shelters. Sniffling. Monkey over here. Private property over there. Wow, check out this burl here. Wow, it's massive. Get my handsaw and cut it out. Take it home. Turn it on my lathe. Nice little stepping area over here. Excuse me, my grunting noises. It's nice going up. Little roof coming down. Lots of muck over here. Mucky muck. There's a broken tree. There. A small archway over there. You can see it's being held down right there. Portal. Small one for the kids. Quiet out here. shuffling. It's like a serpentine trail. Zigzag back and forth. Let's see what we see over here. Anything? Not really much of anything over here. We were over there, making that bridge. Now we're over here. Here's that arch. Closer look of it. What say you, leader? I'm Richard. How are you? Confused? Remember, you're looking upside down. Oh, see? We did go in the loop.
Well, it wasn't marked that way.
Yep.
So now we're going back this way?
Yep. Evidently. No, it's all right. See, they should have had the map upside down from where you started, not the way they actually have it. Because we should have taken a left and not, should have taken a right, not a left. It was deceiving. I could have checked my trail map, but yeah, I'll get down the bottom of the hill. Might be in another time zone by then. By then. Okay, hang on. Did we come this way? No, I don't remember seeing a tree. Okay, let me see where we are here. All right, gotta check my app. Okay, so if we go that way. Looks like we're at the loop now. Okay, see where we are right now?
We just came off the loop. Right?
Yeah, it's going to go around there, circle it, and come back around again. Yep, it's all right. Then we'll say we can say we've done it.
Okay.
All right.
Seems like we've been going downhill.
We have been. And we're going to go uphill afterwards. All right. So we took a wrong turn, but hey, no big deal. All an adventure. Not like we're leading a whole bunch of people. There's a house right there. To your left. Walking on all this stuff right here. Tricky walking. Alright. Stone wall. Excuse me, I burped to myself. I have a bug on my glasses. Excuse me. Wow, that rip, ninja. Hang on, I got a mosquito or something on my glasses. Never mind. Okay. It's gone now. right in my eye vision. Like, get away from me. Alright. Sniffling. There's a nice cross piece. Horizontal piece. In between all those trees. I don't think it just fell like that. With a section at it like that. Alright, going down the hill. I need to come back. That's okay. It's an adventure. Yeah, walking slow, going down the hill. Looks like they had some action over here. Tree broke off over there. Boom! Landed over there and splintered all over the place. I'm gonna go up the hill. Yep. Sailing through my nostrils. Trail that they don't want them to use, Sasquatch. Put logs in front of it. Maybe. Why don't we stop over here? A nice rock wall to sit on. Or lean on. Okay, we're going to take a short break and we'll be right back to you folks.